In this video, we're talking about the tax rate settings within YieldCanary, and it is something that you are required to put in when you sign up. So you should have this already entered if you signed up correctly, but if not, in the upper right corner of the dashboard, you're going to see a little icon with your initial in there. If you click on that and go to settings, the only setting in there right now is your tax rate. So this is something you have to figure out on your own, what you would withhold for dividend taxes. But that is where the setting is up there. So we include the tax rate because some of these metrics in the dashboard, like the take-home cash return, monthly spendable cash yield, they use your tax setting to give you a more accurate picture. There's a lot of people that talk about dividend ETFs that just completely omit talking about taxes. They'll say things like, so-and-so has a 50% yield, so you'll get your money back in 2 years. And that's just not true once you factor in taxes. So for the most part. So once you have your tax rate entered into your settings, there are two columns that this affects right now. We could always add more because there is more data in the back end here that we were thinking about adding to the dashboard. But take home cash return, this one it's using your tax setting. You could see there in the description. And what this is showing is over the course of the last year, how much dividend income you received percentage wise after tax, plus any capital appreciation with the ETF itself. So this is basically if you buy and hold and you spend the money, you're going to see what your take-home cash return is over the course of a year. And then the next column here is the monthly spendable cash yield. This is excluding any capital appreciation. This is just showing you after tax what you would be making per month on a percentage basis. And this is using last month's distribution rate. So these two columns are the ones that are using the tax setting in YieldCanary. And like I said, we could always be adding more. So that is the tax rate setting in YieldCanary.